Welcome to Auto Info Master. Today we're reviewing the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R3. Known for its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced features, this bike is a top choice for both beginners and experienced riders. Let's dive into its design, engine, performance, fuel range, and more. Design. The 2025 Yamaha R3 showcases a sleek aerodynamic design inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP lineup. Its twin LED headlights, aggressive fairings, and sporty tail section emphasize speed and agility. The redesigned body panels enhance airflow, while color options like Icon Blue and Midnight Black ensure it stands out on the road. Engine. At the core of the R3 lies a 321 cc liquid-cooled DOHC parallel twin engine. This compact yet powerful engine delivers smooth and linear acceleration, ensuring top-tier performance. Yamaha's refined engineering ensures reliability, making the R3 suitable for daily commutes, spirited rides, and even track days. The Yamaha R3 delivers 42 horsepower at 1,0750 RPM and 29.6 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM. Its lightweight tubular frame and perfect weight distribution ensure nimble handling. A KYB 37mm inverted fork and monocross rear suspension provide excellent shock absorption for a smooth ride. The 6-speed transmission, paired with a slipper clutch, allows seamless gear shifts even at high speeds. With a top speed of approximately 180 km/h, 112 proof OPH, the R3 is a thrilling performer. Fuel range. With a 14-liter fuel tank and an impressive fuel efficiency of 24 kE/L, 56 mpg, the Yamaha R3 offers a range of about 330 kilometers, 205 miles. It's practical for long rides and fuel-efficient for daily use. The R3 is equipped with cutting-edge tech, including a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, dual-channel ABS for maximum safety, and LED lighting. Additional features like the lightweight aluminum frame and aerodynamic enhancements improve handling, while a slipper clutch adds convenience during aggressive riding. Priced at $5,999 in the US, the 2025 Yamaha R3 offers incredible value for its class. With availability beginning mid-2024, it's a budget-friendly option for riders seeking style and performance. Thank you for tuning into Auto Info Master. The 2025 Yamaha R3 is an excellent choice for riders who value performance, technology, and style. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts about the R3 in the comments below.